Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new dresses from Free Assembly. It has the thin strap, square neckline, seam detail under the bust, fit and flares out. This is what the material looks like up close, and then the back is squared with smocking. Comes in the red, also in black. And we saw those tops before, but now they have these skirts to match. So these have that seam detail. It's a nice thicker material, midi length, and then the seam fit through the back with the gathering. You could see that little V design with the zipper. New turtleneck from Free Assembly. So this one folds over, ribbed, stretchy, fitted through the wrist, also in the body. Only seeing the red and navy, and they're $15. New blouse from Free Assembly. So this one has that V neckline, has the gathered wrist with the button, and then this one rhinestone button, and then the rest are hidden. It's a relaxed, flowy fit, and then the same fit through the back. New dress from Scoop. So this one has the bow detail on the shoulder, that scoop neckline, seam detail with the double tier, and then the seam fit through the back. Only seeing this green color. New button-down shirts from Time & Tru. These have the smaller collar, full button, the little pocket, drop sleeve, button on the wrist, scoop in the middle with the seam in the back. In the pink and beige, there's also the blue, and then a black and white. It's very similar to the George flannel that I have. It's like almost identical, and these are $15.98. Also new sweat set from Scoop. So this one has the high neckline. It has this little rhinestone and sequin detailing, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. You could see that seam detailing, the little gather, and then the ribbed bottom. That rhinestone detailing does go around the back. And then they also have the sweatpants to match. These have the elastic waistband, straight leg, that same kind of fit through the back. And it has like that little bit of gathering on the side. And then inside is a super soft fleece with the drawstring. No sequin skirts from Madden NYC. So I actually ordered this to be in the last haul. I don't know what happened to the package. But these are pull-on. They have a slit in the silver. I ordered it in the black, and I'm pretty sure they're $16. And then also new from Madden NYC are these little wrap skirts. So these have that little tie detail. These are shorter with the zipper in the back. And they also come in black. And then also new from Madden NYC are these little bubble skirts. So these are pull-on, flowy. It's a nice kind of lighter weight material with the elastic underneath. And these are $14.50. And then also new, oh, that bubble skirt also comes in the red. And then they have these little sequin skirts. So how pretty. With the lining on the inside, that same fit through the back. And I think these were $14.50, and then they have a new price. And then they also have it in this check. We also have these new leopard sequin pieces. So this one is a strapless dress. Has the sticky, that seam detail fitted through the body in the leopard. And then it also looks like on the tag that they have this print, this little pink and red floral. And then also in that same leopard are the sequin tanks. So these have the thicker strap, square neckline. They do look like they're shorter, and then the same fit through the back. In the leopard also comes in the red. I don't see the red bottom. I don't know what that matches to. And these are $14.50. New sweater from Madden NYC. This has that nice oversized neckline, that side seam. It has that textured with the ribbed bottom, the ribbed wrist, and then the same fit through the back. Just because we're in Florida, I don't know, maybe they have them in other states, but we have these new colors in the puff sleeve top, and then they restocked the black. That's the one that I have. So there's a crew neckline. It's a poplin oversized puff sleeve, ribbed, fitted through the body. In the yellows, no. There's the pink, lavender, navy, and I saw they restocked black online, and those are $11.98. They also have some new colors in this top from Time & Tru. So this has that V neckline, the ruffled double tie, peplum smocking in the back. In this new Merlot, they also have a new lavender, and those are $18.98. Prints in this cardigan from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the plunging V. It has smaller buttons, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. That same fit through the back. In this green and blue, also that burgundy and black. And they're $32.50. Sweater sets from Jessica Simpson. So the sweatshirt has that V-top, the drop sleeve, cable knit, ribbed wrist, a boxy fit. In the gray, also comes in black. And then the pants are pull-on. They have that elastic waistband, drawstring, the true jogger bottom in the black, also in the gray. And then I shared in the Look for Less, the sweatshirt from Jessica Simpson. So it has that boat neckline, French terry, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom with the beading. This is a very similar top to a Free People top. And then they also have this new one from Jessica Simpson. It has that plunging V neckline, that rhinestone or studded detailing drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist and the ribbed bottom. Rhinestone hoodie set from No Boundaries. This has that ribbed trim, has a really soft fleece drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Little pull-on shorts with the studding. How pretty is this? In the pink, also comes in black. And the two pieces are $19.97. No sweater sets from No Boundaries. So the top has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. It is a boxy fit. Comes in the gray, also in the beige. And then they have the pants that match. They're a flare. They have that elastic waistband in both of those colors. But I had this in my cart earlier, and I was like, I'm going to wait on it, I think. And new color in the puffer coat from No Boundaries. So that one has the mock neckline, drop sleeve, the elastic on the wrist with the little toggle. How pretty is the pink? I bought this one because they only had this in the black, and I went with the floral because it reminds me a lot of Love Shack Fancy. But now I want the pink one too. And these are only $17.95. So new waffle flare pants from No Boundaries. So these are high rise. They have this elastic, no pockets, the perfect amount of flare at the bottom. And then the seam fit through the back. And these are $12.95. Colors in the velour sets from No Boundaries. So these are zip, drawstring, banded wrist with the ribbing, kangaroo pocket, pants are pull-on. And then the perfect amount of flare. Now they have baby blue. We saw the pink. We saw the black. And they also have red now. And the two pieces are $19.98. New bow sweaters from No Boundaries. So these have that mock neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. Look how pretty. The ribbed bottom. No bows on the back. Only on the back of the sleeve. And the white also comes in pink. And they're $17.98. New lace skirt set from No Boundaries. So this one has the plunging V neckline. It is cropped. It's fitted and sheer through the sleeve. And then skirt is pull on. How pretty. You guys know I love all the lace. So they have black and then also red. And the two pieces are $19.98. Also new waffle sets from No Boundaries. So the jacket has that mock neck. It's fitted through the wrist. And then the pants are pull-on. They have that drawstring with the flared bottom. In the gray, also comes in black. And the two pieces are $19.98. New bow jeans from No Boundaries. How cute. These are high-rise. They're super oversized. And then the same fit through the back. Right next to it, new rhinestone jeans. So, I want these. Look at all the rhinestones. The same, like, oversized. This is a straight leg, but this is an 8. These look pretty big. And that's a 10. So they look like a wide leg, even though it says straight on the tag. These are usually $19.98. And then they also have the no waistband with the rhinestones from No Boundaries. These say wide leg. And then no rhinestones on the back. These are cut like this style that I've shared before. And then they have two washes in the rhinestone. That's this light wash, the kind that I really love, and then a mid-tone. And there's no rhinestones on the back. All the new holiday sweaters. This one's from Holiday Time. It has that scoop neckline, the side seam, the little rhinestones. I did an outfit idea with this one on my other social media. Ribbed wrist, and then the seam fit through the back. So they have this print. There's a few more. I think they're all on the same listing. This one, it says love, peace, joy. They have a blue, little mountains, snowy trees, the little star, and then this green. How pretty is this one? Has a little embroidered little berries, and these are $22. Also, no Christmas sweater from No Boundaries. This one has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the little gingerbread with the bells. They also have this new cardigan. This one's from holiday time. That one's new. How cute is that with the little gingerbread in the pocket? The little dogs in the car. This little tree with the rhinestone bows. You guys know I love a bow. And then a reindeer. It's a Santa's favorite. Here's some more. This one's from No Boundaries. Nice is overrated. The little snowman. Howdy Christmas with the tree and the little horseshoes and cowboy hat on the tree. Gingerbread says just snapped. And then they have the little cat. It says excessive holiday cheer like grumpy cat. Don't stop believing. And then in my festive era. Oh, look how cute that one is. There's also a new jumpsuit. How funny is this? It's like a huge stuffed animal on the top, and then wide leg velour pants, and then the seam fit through the back. I think these are between 20 and 25. We saw this little jumpsuit last video, and then also that Happy Holidays. New plush sweat sets from No Boundaries. So these have that lined inside zip front, the little sequin on the front, laid up. And then this one has the bear. And then the pants to match, the little tree lights, and then the little bear pants. The jackets are $14.95, and then the pants are $12.95. Notice how cute are these Wicked sets. So they have for Elphaba sweatpants, super soft fleece high rise, and then the little W, and then the jacket. That's really cute. I like the pink one too. So it looks like the jackets are $24.98, pants are $17.98, and then for the pink, they have the little embroidered hat, cable knit with the hood, and then the pants are like same sweater material. Wicked. It's really cute. Cute this Hello Kitty Christmas hoodie is. The little graphic through the sleeve. There's so many things I want. These are $16.98. Also have these sweatshirts. So one says popular crew neckline, soft lace drop sleeve, and then they have Wicked. And these are, I'll have them linked. On this side, new sweat set from Wound Up. The little pinkish red bear crew neckline, and then they also have the gingerbread. I like the gingerbread shirt, but I didn't like the bite me thing on it. With the little gingerbreads, look how cute. These are $11.98. Print in these plush pullovers from No Boundaries. So these have that mock neck. This one has a little candy cane. The drop sleeve, relaxed fit, seam through the back. Now in the new red reindeer, the black with the Santas, this gray pharaoh with the bears, this blue Santa sled. We saw the shorts that match back to this one. Those are only $7. If I see them, I'll show them. But if not, I'll have them linked. These are only $12. Here's the short. So it also comes in the pink bow, the red and green, the black pharaoh. And then the shorts are really plush in all of those prints. They have some new colors in this style pullover too. So now a yellow has the half zip. They also have shorts to match this. We saw the pink, white. Now they also have the brown and white like cow print. That looks like we got a little cart in our way. We saw the burgundy, the leopard, the bear print, and the blue and gray pharaoh, and those are also $12. Also new barrel leg jeans from Time Entry. So these are high rise. They come in at the ankle. They have the seam kind of fit through the back. They've had these in a few other colors, and they're $22.98. Colors in the puffer vest from AVIA. So those are mock neck. They're like bubble style lines. Put in the back in the green. Also comes in black, pink, and ivory. New color in this little bubble sweatshirt from AVIA. So this has that boat neckline, drop sleeve, banded wrist, elastic in the scuba material. Also comes in pink and black. So new Henley pajama sets with the socks from Joyce Bun. These have the V neckline, the Henley buttons, ribbed wrist, relaxed fit. Pants are pull-on with the true jogger bottom. So they have the cherries. There's also green with Velour. There's a burgundy with the pink hearts. The red and pink stripe. How cute. And also have these new sock sets. So these are a patchy kind of velvety material. Same kind of pant. In the leopard, there's the black with the leopards. The green tree print. They have a bow. A pink bow. This is the Henley set in the plaid. And then I love this set. The little tartan plaid. And the black and white buffalo check. Also new grunge pieces. So these are on like a display in the back in most stores. But they have this new little like comfy thing. They have this new hoodie. I think this is women's. This print, like plush. And then I also saw at the other Walmart they had pants to match that. And then also in women's are these pants. So they have an elastic waistband. These like flew out of here. How cute is this set? I was looking at this for my daughter. And I was debating, they have this up to a 14-16 and if I should try that. Because usually they fit. New licensed holiday pajama set. So this comes with the little chenille socks. It looks like a straight leg plush pant. And then a stretchy tee. So they have Hello Kitty. That's what that set looks like. They also have Winnie the Pooh. There's Stitch. And then Peanuts. There's Stranger Things. The little Christmas tree. Looks like upside down. And then Nightmare Before Christmas. And these sets are $20.98. New heels from Scoop. So these have a pointed toe. It's like this fuzzy look with this stiletto. I saw these online. I wasn't crazy about them. But then I saw on like the social media somebody out like wearing shoes like this. And they actually looked really cute on. And these are going to be $36. So new Rhinestone boot from Scoop. So this one has a little bit of a square toe. It has that seam detailing, not too high of a heel. And then the zipper on the inside. And they're $50. New Rhinestone boots from Madden NYC. These have the pointed toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.